And the finance minister has used the statistics to fire back at a poll which indicates that more Jamaicans believe that the country is heading in the wrong direction. Dr. Nigel Clark was speaking in a recent interview with the TVJ News. A Bill Johnson poll commissioned by the One PNP camp indicates that 46% of respondents believe Jamaica is heading in the wrong direction. 30% said it was the right direction.
So the fact that now 30% say the country's going in the right direction, if I were the JLP, I wouldn't sleep very well. Because just based on past history, that is not a good sign for them.
Roughly 2 weeks later, this rebuttal from Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark.
I can speak to the data that I have in front of me, and the data suggests that Jamaica has had 17 consecutive quarters of economic expansion, which is the longest period of economic expansion that we have had since 1996.
Unemployment figures from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin also formed part of the defense. Statin reports that the unemployment rate for April 2019 was 7.8%, 2 percentage points lower than the same period last year. In April 2019, the number of unemployed persons was roughly 105,000, almost 26,000 less than in April 2018.
The data, again, speaks to the volume of employment in Jamaica. There are more people employed in Jamaica today than have ever been employed before. We had over 100,000 Jamaicans lose their jobs in the Great Recession that began in 2008. And all of those jobs, in terms of the number of jobs, have been replaced and more.
The finance minister also pointed to reduced interest rates, low inflation, and other improvements in the economy. The average Jamaican may, however, argue they are not receiving any direct benefit.
I would never seek to deny someone's personal experience, but in aggregate, as a measure measured against where we are coming from, there is no doubt that significant progress has been made. The progress that we have made in such a short time speak to the possibilities and speak to the fact that if we can continue to make the kind of progress that we've made over the past few years, then the possibilities for Jamaica and for Jamaicans are bright.